So let us start with the third construction of our chapter. To construct the triangle, given two angles and include the sides. म्हणजे टू अँगल्स आणि त्यांच्यामधली बाजू, हे दोन अँगल आणि त्यांच्यामधली बाजू अशी माप दिली असताना हाऊ टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट. For that, we are going to see one example. Construct XYZ such that length YX is equal to 6 cm, angle ZXY is equal to 13 degree, and angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree. So, first of all, you can draw the rough figure in this way. And here, the base including the angle X and Y. So X and Y is our base. This is the important in this figure. So how to construct this figure? Let's go. This is very simple method. For that, you can draw first the given. This is the base of a given construction. This is the important fact that this is the base. So first of all, you can draw the base. Here you see the figure. Yx is our base. So according to the rough figure, draw the segment Yx as a base of length 6 cm. So first of all, we draw the base Yx. Afterward, draw the ray Yx such that angle XYR is equal to 100 degree. This is the obtuse angle. Here, the angle Y is the 100 degree. So, I put the protractor here and measure from right hand side to left hand side. See here, this is the very important point in this construction. I kept such type of the protractor and your side is on the right hand side. That's why I can measure from this side to this side. This is the 100 degree. And similarly, how to draw this angle? For that purpose, we can protractor is kept in such a way that the reference point is matched with vertex X and reference line is matched with XY side. So you can measure from this side, then that is the wrong angle. Why? Because our overlapping side of the triangle is on left hand side, and that's why we measure from left side. Here the triangle side is on right hand side, that's why we measure from right hand side. And here our triangle side on left hand side, that's why we can measure from left hand side. This is the most important factor in this construction. So let us go practically. So let's start. First, draw a rough figure as per book. Suppose this is my triangle. I start from this XYZ, but here angle X and angle Y is given, and also this side is nothing but in the construction of two angles and including side. The side is our base. So XY is our base and this is the last part, I said Z. So XY is the 6 cm. This angle is the 100 degree and this is the 30 degree. So let us draw the figure. First of all, measure the distance between 2 points, 6 cm. Here I kept a ruler and take a distance between 2 points, 6 cm. And now kept protractor and measure from right hand side up to the 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19, 100. Here I can mark here and remove the protractor and mark this point and this point straight line in this way. Here the angle from this side to this one having 100 degree. Now similar manner, you can measure the angle from this side. Now we can measure from this side because our side is on left hand side. Do not measure from this side. If you measure, then your construction is going wrong. So measure from this 10, 20, 30. This is our 30 degree angle. Remove the protector and kept a scale in such a way that the vertices and marking point are in straight line, and you can draw the ray in such a way that 2 points are intersect here. That point is nothing but Z. This is our base X. This is Y. This is having degree 30 degree. This is a 6 centimeter. So our construction is finished here. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं असून सगळ्यात सोपी रचना आहे. रचना करताना एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, दिलेल्या उदाहरणामध्ये जे माप दिलेलं असेल बाजूचं शक्यतो तोच पाया असतो, कारण याच दोन अँगल मध्ये आपल्याला कोणांची माप दिलेली असतात. म्हणजे पहा, एक्स याचं माप आहे 30, वाय याचं माप आहे 100. आणि नंतर कच्ची आकृती काढून झाल्यानंतर आपण सुरुवातीला पाया काढायचा 6 सेंटीमीटर. कोन मापकाचा रेफरन्स बिंदू आणि रेफरन्स लाईन जुळवायची. या बाजूने 100 अंशाचा कोनावर खूण करायची आणि किरण काढायचा लांबवर. त्याच पद्धतीने डाव्या बाजूने 30 अंशाचा कोन मोजण्यासाठी हा रेफरन्स पॉइंट घ्यायचा, ही रेफरन्स लाईन घ्यायची. ही डाव्या बाजूने आल्यामुळे आपल्याला या बाजूने कोन मोजायचा आहे. जिथे खूण होईल तो पॉइंट आणि आपला व्हर्टायसेस एकमेकांना सरळ रेषेमध्ये जोडायचे आणि लांबवर किरण काढायचा. किरण ज्या ठिकाणी एकमेकांना छेदतील तो बिंदू निश्चित करायचा, तो म्हणजे आपला त्रिकोणाचा एक व्हर्टायसेस असणार आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपण त्रिकोण एक्स वाय झेड याची रचना पूर्ण करू शकतो. आय थिंक यू अंडरस्टँड दिस कन्सेप्ट. सो वी कॅन सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल दॅट आर गिवन इन युअर practice set number 4. If there is any doubt, then you can ask the question for that doubt. Okay, so we can stop here. Particular for to construct the triangle given two angle and include its side. Thank you. Now the fourth construction in our chapter is to construct a right angle triangle given a hypotenuse and one side. Here new word is found, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse nothing but in Marathi it is called as कर्ण. म्हणजे राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे काटकोन त्रिकोण. काटकोन त्रिकोणाची रचनेमध्ये कर्ण आणि एक बाजू यांची माप दिली असताना रचना करणे. आता तिसरं माप आपल्याला आपोआपच मिळालेलं आहे, कारण राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे हा काटकोन त्रिकोण असणार आहे. म्हणजे आपोआपच काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये एका कोणाचं माप 90 अंशाचं असतं. म्हणजे यामध्ये दोनच घटक दिलेले असणार, हायपोटेनियस आणि साइड. पण तिसरं जे माप आहे ते आपण कोणाचं घ्यायचं आहे, 90 अंश. ही बाब या रचनेमध्ये आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायची आहे. लेट अस स्टार्ट फॉर विथ example draw triangle LMN such that measure of angle LMN is equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse is equal to 5 centimeter, length MN is equal to 3 centimeter. Let us first draw the rough figure by using this information. Here is our rough figure. So I draw a angle M. Here angle M is given 90 degree. That's why I am putting the name of the figure LMN. So here two measure of the length LN having 5 centimeter and length MN having 3 centimeter, and angle M is 90 degree. So let us draw the fair figure. Here the construction is very important and very simple. As shown in the rough figure, draw the base segment MN of length 3 centimeter. Here is the base MN in rough figure. So first of all, we draw the base MN 3 centimeter with help of ruler. Afterward, at the point M of the segment MN, draw a ray MT to make an angle 90 degree to segment MN. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी प्रोटेक्टरच्या मदतीने MN या बाजूला MT नावाचा किरण असा काढायचा की त्या ठिकाणी 90 अंशाचा कोन होईल. म्हणजे इथं आपल्याला प्रोटेक्टर वापरावा लागेल. ओपनिंग द कंपास to 5 centimeter and with point N and draw the arc to cut the segment MT at the L triangle LMN is required triangle. Here put the distance between M 5 centimeter, put the sharp edge of the compass on point N and mark over the ray. The intersection point is fixed here and you can join from this point to this point which having the distance 5 centimeter. In this way, we can easily construct the right angle triangle. So let us go with the practical. They given us hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is nothing but, in Marathi it is called as current. It is the side. Hypotenuse is the side which are in front of 90 degree. 90 अंशाच्या समोरच्या बाजूला hypotenuse असे म्हणतात. Here I draw the figure. Suppose this is my rough figure. I draw the figure triangle L M N in which M having 90 degree, MN is the 3 centimeter, LN is the 5 centimeter. Now let us draw the main figure which having the base 3 centimeter. Here I can put my scale in such a way that I can take the distance from this point to this point 3 centimeter. So this is my M, this is my N point, and which having the distance between them 3 centimeter. Now use the protector, keep the vertices M on the reference point and match the reference line to the side MN and measure from right hand side because here the side is right hand side. So measure how many degree? 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19. In this way the distance is same, but you can measure from this side. So with help of the ruler you can join these 2 points in such a way that we can draw a ray and give the name to this point D. So take the distance of 5 centimeter between point N and L, that in the rough figure. So I measure the distance from 0 to 5 centimeter and keep the sharp edge of the compass on point M and I mark here 5 centimeter. Here is the intersection with this ray. So fix this point and give the name of this point L. So this is our L point. Now in such a way that the ruler is kept in a straight line and you can mark this side from L to N which having the distance 5 centimeter. This is our right angle, that means the 90 degree. In this way we can easily construct the given figure to construct the right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही रचना करताना कच्च्या आकृतीमध्ये एक कोन आपल्याला दिलेला नसतो, तो आपण 90 अंशाचा घ्यायचा. कच्ची आकृती काढल्यानंतर सुरुवातीला पाया काढायचा. पायापाशी कोनमापकाच्या साहाय्याने 90 अंशाचा कोन काढून लांबवर किरण काढायचा. त्यानंतर L पासून N पर्यंत दिलेलं जे माप असेल यावर टोकदार टोक ठेवून या ठिकाणी कंस करायचा. तो बिंदू निश्चित केल्यावर हा बिंदू आणि खालचा बिंदू जोडायचा आणि अशा प्रकारे आपला राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल या ठिकाणी तयार झालेला आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल. सो व्हॉट इज द एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू? यू कॅन सॉल्व द प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 5. I give the 2 exercise today to you, but you can solve these within 2 or 3 days. So solve with help of geometrical equipment. You draw all the construction in practice set number 4 and practice set number 5. Thank you.